Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you the easiest way how you could send a file from Microsoft Office Access to your mobile phone using the Bluetooth. So using your laptop or PC, you will be able to share or send the file to your mobile phone. To begin, make sure to turn on the Bluetooth in your mobile phone. As a next step, go to your search tab in your computer and type Bluetooth. Make sure to click on Bluetooth and other devices settings. Next step, click on the Bluetooth button to turn on. You will see the state on. Next step, click on Add Bluetooth or other device. Select the first option or click on it, Bluetooth, mice, keyboards, or audio, and wait a few seconds. You will see your mobile phone name. Click on it and make sure to accept in your mobile phone. You will see the message Bluetooth pairing request. Just click pair in your mobile phone. Click connect and click done. You can close the settings and go to the file which you want to send. Click on the icon of the document, send to, Bluetooth device. Select your mobile phone and click next. Make sure to accept the file in the notification in your mobile phone. Once done, you should see this message, file successfully transferred. You can click finish and you can verify the file in your mobile phone. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.